Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start with the exercise 9.1 of the trigonometry, application to trigonometry. So yesterday we have already discussed about the basics of the angles, what we are going to use it in trigonometry, like angle of elevation, angle of depression, and the different technicalities. Today we are going to start with the first question. The first question is, a circus artist is climbing 20 meter long rope. So they have given the length of the rope, which is 20 meters, which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of the vertical pole. So one end of the rope is stuck up to the pole top and the other end is grounded, that means to the ground. The height of the rope we need to find, and the angle making the rope with the ground is 30 degrees. So here is the figure. This is the tower. On the top of the tower the rope is bounded. This is C, angle 30 degrees they have given, and this is the length of the rope they have given. So if we make a triangle, right angle triangle, we can say hypotenuse is given, angle 30 is given. What we need to find is the height, that is AB. So what we are going to use it? We are going to use sine theta. What is sine theta? Opposite side upon hypotenuse, that means AB upon AC. So AC sine 30 is equal to AB. And what is sine 30? Half. So 20 into half is equal to AB. AB becomes 10 meters. So question is very simple. They have already given the diagram, but in exam they may not give you the diagram. So you need to draw the figure. So every time read the question carefully and understand what they are asking and how we need to answer that. Second question they have given, and again for second question there is no figure. A tree breaks due to the storm and broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degrees with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meters. Find the height of the tree. So this is the tree. This tree is broken down. See, I have drawn the figure of broken down tree, and this bottom is making 30 degrees. They have given the distance between the bottom and the foot of the tree, which is 8 meters. So theta they have given 30, BC they have given this. I have drawn the sketch ABC. BC is 8 meters. Find the height. And what is the height? AB plus AC. Note that this is the height, AB plus AC, because before breaking down the tree is like this. After breaking down the tree becomes like this. So we need to add AB plus AC. So here first of all we use tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 is opposite side upon adjacent side. So AB upon BC. And what is tan 30? 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3 is equal to AB upon 8. That means AB becomes 8 upon root 3 meters. AB becomes 8 upon root 3 meters. Now we need to find this AC. So cos 30, here we are going to use cos 30. Cos 30 is equal to BC upon AC. BC adjacent side upon AC hypotenuse. Now AC will become BC upon cos 30, 8 upon under root 3, root 3 upon 2. 2 will go in the numerator. 8 into 2 upon root 3, that means 16 upon root 3 will be the answer. The total height of the tree is AB plus AC. We need to add it. Many a times it happens that the student don't add it and they lose marks, because when they are saying height of the tree, they have not mentioned that height of the tree before breaking. But when we say height, means the total height of the tree before breaking, that we need to add. That is AB plus AC. 8 upon root 3 plus 16 upon root 3. Root 3 is common. 8 plus 16, it becomes 24 upon root 3. Always note that we do not want under root at the bottom. So we are going to use conjugate. So divide and multiply by root 3. So root 3 into root 3 becomes 3, and in numerator 24 root 3. This 3 ones are 3, 3 8s are 24. So answer is 8 root 3. If you have answer 24 upon root 3, that answer need to simplify further. We are going to lose half mark if we stop here. That means we need to take the conjugate of that. So what is total height? 8 root 3. Now we are going to solve the question number 3. What is 3? A contractor plans to install 2 sites for the children, slides, to play in the park. The children below 5 years, they have given below 5 years The height of the slide is 1.5 meters and angle is 30 degrees. And for elder children, the height is 3 meters and the angle is 60 degrees. So here we have two figures. This AC is the slide. The height is 1.5 meters from the ground and the angle is 30 degrees. This PQ is the second slide for elder children. Height is 3 meters and angle is 60 degrees. We need to find AC and here we need to find PR. These two figures we have drawn. So we are going to use sin 30. Sin 30 is AB upon AC. So AC becomes AB upon sin 30. And what is sin 30? 1 by 2. So we say AC is equal to 1.5 upon 1 by 2. 2 goes in the numerator. 1.5 into 2, it becomes 3.0. That is AC. The height, the length of the slide is 3 meters. I am saying length of the slide. Slide means the hypotenuse here we are talking about. Here we have sin 60 degrees is equal to PQ upon PR. That means opposite side upon hypotenuse. We want to find the hypotenuse PR. So PR becomes PQ upon sin 60. PQ is 3 meters upon sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So this 2 goes in the numerator. 3 into 2 upon root 3. Note that we do not want root 3 at the bottom. So what we are doing, we are going to use conjugate. So divide and multiply by root 3. Root 3 into root 3 becomes 3. 3 get cancelled. The answer becomes 2 root 3. So answer is 2 root 3. Here also note that if they have given the value of root 3, then you have to multiply here. The value of root 3 is 1.7321. So in exam it is better that instead of stopping here, multiply 2 by 1.7321 and learn the value of root 3 and root 2, because many a times we are going to use this values root 3 and root 2. Root 2 is 1.414 and root 3 1.7321. So these are 3 questions which I have solved, and what I want that question number 4, question number 5 and question number 6 you solve at home. If you are not getting the answer, let me know. I am stopping here, and again I am reminding you that this videos which I am sending, I am not getting the feedback. So it is better that if we start with the Zoom app. So you people, why I don't understand why you people are not responding. Tell me what are your timings that we can have a Zoom app, because I suppose till afternoon you are having classes, online classes. So in the afternoon around 3 o'clock or 4 o'clock we can have Zoom app for 1 hour, and half an hour we will go for science and half an hour we can go for maths. So tell me the timings, and all the 3 should communicate to one another so that we can go through the Zoom app. Okay, Allah Hafiz.